trying to go crazy.
You throw it! You throw it! Man away, got your head here. Go get it, Roman, don't worry about your head. Come on, Roman, go get it.
Your offense, Roman, let's go. Finish that.
Get behind him.
Stuff the head and get behind.
Cross face. His head. His head. Now get behind him.
15 seconds. Stuff the head and go behind. Go behind, go behind.
Now get behind.
Keep going, there you go. Nice job. Nice job. Keep him flat. Break him flat.
Flat, break him flat.
Nice job. Right back down, right back down. Don't let go.
Oh, look at me, Roman. Hey, don't worry about his cover. He's wrestling.
Jen, move.
Roman. Behind the blue line. Hey, you gotta go. You got it. Roman. Break him flat. Half Nelson. Half, break him flat. Bring him on the mat.
Cut him.
You're going too. Roman, let's
Set it up, Roman.
Set it up, Roman.
Circle into it, not straight on.
Not straight on.
There you go, get it, snap and go.
Snap it down, snap it down.
Right behind him, go behind, there you go, now go behind. Nice job.
To his back, to his back. Bring him on the mat.
No, stay, fight that off. Nice job. Good stance. Finish. Drive through. Absolutely.
Yep. Roman, you're going down. Stand up. Hey, look at me. He's going to have Nelson and come around the front. Head up.
You got this, Roman. Come on, bud. 1 minute, bud.
Keep your head up and stand up. Stand up. Stand up hard.
Good job. Again, right up.
Give him your arm. Look away.
Stand up.
Look away. Look away.
Right up, Roman. Stand up again.
Control his hands. Stand up. You gotta stand up, man.
Nice job. Keep that leg. Head out. Swim.
Drive it.
Beautiful. Get your one. Stand up.
Stand up.
Control the elbow.
Take his arm. Take his arm. Grab the elbow.
Get your one. Get the elbow.
Stand up.
Left hand on the elbow.
Stand up. You gotta stand up, Roman. Come on, Michael. Stand up. You gotta stand up.
Stay strong, Dad. 6 seconds. Stay up, Roman. Stay tough. Grab the elbow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
That was ugly.
It wasn't pretty.